When most of us think about retirement, we picture freedom. No alarm clock, no boss, no more punching a clock. There is a hidden side to retirement that no one talks about. Retirement has hidden costs that can sneak up on you and drain your savings faster than you ever imagined. Here are just 4 of those hidden costs to think about. First off, let me share a true story. I worked with a woman for years. In June of 2024, she retired at 62 after working for the company for 32 years. She was excited, ready to enjoy her time. By January of 2025, she was back in the same job, at the same pay, doing the same work. I asked her why she came back, and her answer stopped me cold. She said health insurance for her and her husband, since she retired before 65 and was not eligible for Medicare, was costing them over $1,200 a month of after-tax money. 6 months in, she realized they just couldn't afford it. She called HR and asked for her job back. That's the first hidden cost of retirement, healthcare. Until Medicare kicks in at 65, private insurance or COBRA can eat up your budget. According to Fidelity, the average retired couple will spend more than $315,000 on healthcare over the course of their retirement. That's not pocket change, that's a house. The second hidden cost is home maintenance. You might have your mortgage paid off, but the house still costs money every year. Roofs leak, air conditioners break, water heaters wear out. Bankrate estimates homeowners should budget 1 to 4% of their home's value every year just for upkeep. On a $250,000 house, that's $2,500 to $10,000 on a year. Third, taxes don't just go away. A lot of retirees think they'll pay less, but depending on how you pull money out of your 401k, IRA, and Social Security, you could still get hit. In fact, up to 85% of Social Security benefits can be taxable depending on your income. Do you live in a tax-friendly state? The fourth is inflation. It doesn't sound like much when you hear 3% a year, but stretch that out over 20 years and it can nearly cut your purchasing power in half. Think about what gas or groceries cost 20 years ago compared to today. Now project that forward into your retirement years. What's the takeaway here? Retirement planning isn't just about stacking up a big number in your 401k, it's about being realistic. Factor in healthcare, maintenance, taxes, and inflation, and your retirement picture may look different than you thought. How do you fight against this? Start planning early and work that plan for as many years as you can before you need it in retirement. The woman I told you about, she wasn't foolish. She just didn't see the full picture before she left at 62. That's why we talk about these things now, so you don't get blindsided later. Remember this quote from Benjamin Franklin: "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." Plan ahead, expect the hidden costs, and you'll give yourself the gift of a retirement you can actually enjoy. Check out my Gumroad store at workingmanwisdom.gumroad.com. It helps us keep bringing real talk for working people who want to retire strong.